In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send and receive money on PayPal without adding a bank or card. This is a great feature for those who are looking for a quick way to handle transactions without linking directly to their bank accounts. Let's dive in and go through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the PayPal website. You can do this by typing in paypal.com in the address bar and hitting enter. Once you get to the PayPal homepage, which serves as your portal to numerous online financial services, you'll see a clear option at the top that says Log In. Give that a click. After clicking Login, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Once you've entered your email and password, PayPal will guide you through a quick verification step. This may involve receiving a text message either via WhatsApp or directly to your phone. Make sure you have access to your phone so you can input the verification code promptly and continue your login process. Upon successfully logging into the PayPal dashboard, you'll notice the familiar interface that displays your account summary. From here, the next step is to navigate to your account settings. Look around the top or the side menu for an icon or link labeled Settings. Clicking on it will take you to a section with all your account details. Inside your settings, you'll find several different tabs, but for our purpose today, you are going to look for and click the email section. This is crucial because your email address is essentially your key to sending and receiving money without linking a bank account or card. Click on your primary email address to verify and ensure it is accurate and up to date. To start using your email for transactions, you will need to share this verified PayPal email address with the person from whom you want to receive money. Whether you're sending an invoice or just getting a quick payment from a friend, simply provide them with this email address. As long as your email is verified with PayPal, they can send funds directly to you, and you can do the same for them. And just like that, you're set up to send and receive money using PayPal, all without needing to add a bank account or card. It's a simple, secure, and hassle-free method, ideal for those looking to keep their banking details separate. Always remember to use a strong password for your PayPal account and enable any additional security measures PayPal offers to keep your transactions safe. That's a wrap on how you can conveniently send and receive money on PayPal without needing to link any bank or card. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more PayPal tips and financial tech advice. Thanks for tuning in and see you in the next video.